You know, in the summer when it's really hot, we get a lot of questions from folks that say, hey, it's hot outside and my air conditioner doesn't seem to be doing as good of a job as it does normally. Why is that? And quite honestly, it has to do with the design standards that the Energy Code requires us to follow. And they're based upon the fact that less than 2% of the time the temperature in our area of the country exceeds 91 degrees. So we designed for a 91 degree outdoor temperature. So at 91 degrees outdoors, we're going to provide about 74 degrees indoors. So when it gets to be 95 to 100, that's 5 to 10 degrees warmer than normal. Then there's going to be a corresponding increase in the temperature inside. And it's not uncommon for people to tell us, hey, it's 98 degrees outside and my unit won't go below 80 degrees. What's wrong with it? There's probably nothing wrong with it. It's just, you know, the outdoor temperature has exceeded the design conditions. An oversized air conditioning system, when it's not 100 degrees out, is going to run very quickly and very quickly reduce the temperature in your home. But it's not going to run long enough to dehumidify. And it's the dehumidification, the removal of the moisture that's in the air, is what air conditioning does to make you comfortable. So what happens is we get complaints that it's cool and clammy in the house, it's moist in the house because we haven't run the air conditioning system long enough to remove the moisture. So it's very important that it be sized properly for the load that your home has. The heat gain is what has to be overcome by the air conditioning system, and also has to be sized in accordance with the design standards so that we don't put a system in that's going to not dehumidify.